Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guys from Masagari Channel, a Faith Healer o Zamatarder. So ngayong hapon na to, bigyan natin yung sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 8 hanggang July 14 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanina kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating makakagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyan. Comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang skip ng ads na may pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit, God bless, give me information paano kayo sabihin sa ng ating mga baraha. Okay? So there's a Chariot card, maraming paparating. No, there's something in movement, a changes. No, there's something to joining forces na maaring pagkalooban ka or may mga bagay na darating na. Ayan na nga. No, let's see. And there's a wheel of fortune, ang darating ay bagong kapalaran. No, there's something at turning back or karma. There's a destiny to happen, guys. No, ito na yung ikot ng iyong palad o kapalaran na maaaring ipagkaloob na sa'yo. And there's a hypothesis, no, there's a lot of hidden agenda, or there's a mystery, no? Let's see. And of course, there's the Empress card for revert, disconnect from the world, or either maaaring ibabalik ulit yung katawang lupa mo. Charis, kumbaga ibabalik ulit yung sigla ng buong pagkatao mo. No, kumbaga ngayon, aalagaan mo na, mamahalin mo na ang iyong sarili. And there's a blessing coming in. And there's a Knight of Swords. Sa mo pinagkakaroon ka ng anxieties, sleepless nights, worries, but you need to let this go. No, kailangan mong pakawalan to dahil ito yung nagbibigay blockages sa'yo. And there's a Ten of Wands, no? Marami kang mga obligation responsibilities na maaaring nagbibigay pasakit, pasanin sa iyong kaisipan. And of course, there's a Eight of Swords, no? There's a lot of toxic and negativities na maaaring ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para magkaroon na ng changes and development. No, ito na yung panahon para makaalis, no? Makalisan ka dyan sa lugar or environment or toxic environment or toxic people, no? Makakalight, makakawala ka na raw dyan. What is the Wheel of Fortune? Represent with a need of the Seven of Pentacles, sorry. There's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. Aani ka na raw. No, ng mga biyaya, na lahat ng mga bagay na pinagpagura mo, ito na iikot ng iyong kapalaran. And of course, there's something, guys, with the Ten of Cups. There's an unexpected happiness. No, unexpected good news coming in. What is the Empress card? There's an Ace of Wands, so there's something, a new project, a new ideas, a new plans. Dito papasok ang mga bagong eksena sa buhay mo. Uy, bagong plano. No? There's a brighter idea. There's a strength card with confidence. So, kailangan mo lakasan ang loob mo, no? Sa likod ng mga pag-aalala mo, no? Pag-iisip mo at takot at pangamba mo, kailangan matuto kang lakasan or i-boost mo yung confident mo. What is the Ten of Wands? The Ten of Wands represent with the Knight of Pentacles. Magkaroon ka ng seguridad sa sarili mo, no? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng savings on your own, no? For your future. What is the Chariot card? And of course, the Eight of Swords. Represent with the Seven of Wands that you are being protected. No, makakala at makakawala ka na at protektado ka na. Hindi na sila makakagulo sa iyong mga pangarap. Ay, pasabog yan. No, and of course, guys, there's something the Two of Wands. There's a power to choose, no? Ikaw yung pipili ng mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, or either ikaw yung pipili ng mga taong makakasama mo, yung mga taong makakasalamuha mo, yung mga taong gusto mong makasama, no? Kumbaga ngayon, pipili ka na, there's a harvest moment, no? Or may mga opportunities na darating sa harapan mo na ikaw na lang ang pipili. Oh, there's the Hangman in reverse, something guys na maaaring makakala at makakawala ka na dito from negative, from this abandonment, for this stuck, no? Magkakaroon na ng flow at daloy na. Parang nasisend ka, there's an unexpected flow, no? And there's the King of Pentacles na magkaroon ka ng seguridad at practical sa kung ano man yung mabagay na meron ka, lalo-lalo na ano man yung plano mo. Hindi ka dapat nag-share ng information with other people dahil mayroon dyan sa paligid mo, maaring may inggit, ganon. No, may ngit-ngit. And of course, there's something guys with the Three of Pentacles. No, there's something collaborations, no? Kailangan lakas naman loob mo sa pakikipag-ugnayan, pakikipag-usap, pakikipagtalakayan, sa mga transaction, customers, no, wag ka mangamba, kaya mo yan. And of course, there's something guys with the Eight of Cups, something moving forward, makaka-move on ka talaga. No, unti-unti ka na rin makakalaya sa lahat ng bagay, pasakit, pasanin, na iyong mga pinagdadaanan. What is additional messages? For the outcome, there's a Three of Swords. Diba? Maraming mga inggitera dyan sa lugar nyo, sa paligid mo. Kung hindi ito sa environment mo dyan sa trabaho, kundi dyan sa mga kapitbahay mong mga plastic charis. No, mga inggitera. What is the additional messages? Represent guys with the Two of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. Napiliin mo, ano man yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. And of course, kailangan mo mag-decision na. And of course, guys, there's something, the Justice card. Karma is waving. So, makukuha mo itong hustisya at nararapat para sa'yo. Kumapit ka. And because there's a tower moment for major changes, unti-unti na magbabago ang sitwasyon mo, lalo-lalo na sa finances mo, sa buhay mo, sa situations mo. And of course, there's a Two of Pentacles with a balance, na magkakaroon ka ng balance dito, physically, mentally, emotionally, no? O may emotionally, no? Magtitimbangin mo na yung iyong sarili, ang iyong ginagawa, ang iyong iniisip, no, ang iyong plano, pag-iisip ang mabuti. And there's a 222, represent that you're on the right path. No, there's an align. Tama ka ng direksyon, tama ka ng desisyon. And of course, there's something, the Nine of Cups, a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay talaga na matutupad mo na. No, may mga bagay na may sasakatuparan mo na. Kumapit ka. Now, with the power of the deck, with the Six of Swords transition, unti-unti ka na raw makakalaya sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. So, let's see what is additional messages tayo. Pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Let's watch this. Okay, for finances and career. For finances and career. So, there's a Six of Wands for victory. Na may mga bagay na magtatagumpay ka talaga. Na may mga bagay na may sasakataparan mo na. Makakamit mo na, no? And of course, there's something, the word card, something trouble, success, accomplishment. Pagdating sa finances, guys, lalago na to, no? And of course, baka makapag-ibabansa ka pa, makaalis ka na ulit, no? And of course, there's an Ace of Cups, nag-uumapaw ng passion, love, intent, interest sa ginagawa mo, that's good. And of course, there's the Four of Wands by celebration. Some of you, may nasense ako dito na konektado ang love life at career mo. No, may higher level commitment dito. There's a new love. Or maaaring ibalik ang romance. And of course, ang iyong intimacy. There's a Knight of Cups. There's a proposal, promotion, no, romantic proposal, promotions, no, an offer for you. No, maaaring konektado rin to na maaaring partnership siya. Diba? And there's a Temperance, matuto kang kumalma, ikalma mo yan. Diba? I-preserve mo yan. Natake. Na ako sinasabi dito na kailangan na matuto kang ikalma yung pakiramdam mo, yung ginagawa mo, huwag kang magmamadali. No, huwag kang padalos-dalos. Pagdating sa love life, there's an Eight of Pentacles, there's a big shot and big money coming in. Mag-focus ka sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo, sa love life mo. There's an Ace of Pentacles, may malaking opportunities na darating sa'yo dito, at there's something, a partnership talaga. And of course, there's Six of Pentacles, magtutuloy-tuloy na talaga ang about sa finances and relationship. No? And of course, there's a Star card, healing and recovery. Makaka-recover na talaga kayo ng person mo sa lahat ng bagay na pinagdaanan nyo at matutupad na yung pangarap mo. no? And there's the Queen of Pentacles, pagdating sa practicality and security, pagiging mature, pagdating sa relationship and finances, that's good. Kumbaga ngayon, mas lalo kayong hinubog ng mga pangyayari. And there's the Sun with a pure positive outcome. Ang ganda ng relationship nyo, ha? Connected talaga siya sa love life. Ang ganda, no? Maaring magdala to sa inyo ng pag-asa at pangarap, no? At yung pangako ay maaring may sakatuparan mo na. No, let's see, pagdating sa kalusugan, there's the King of Cups. Yung person mo is very devoted, no? Wala, kumbaga dito sa taon na to, hindi ka may stress. And there's a Knight of Swords, no? There's success driven, no? Magtatagumpay ka na rin dyan. And there's a Knight of Wands, kailangan mo matuto kang maging mahinahon, no? You are also provider, or maaaring guys, ikaw yung nagpapakalma ng situations, or ng pakiramdam mo, patuto kang kumalma. And there's a full card na magtiwala ka sa ating pong may kapal. No? There's a leap of faith. There's a new beginning pagdating sa kalusugan mo. May partnership din, oh. Parehas kayong, nag-uumapaw na saya ng person mo. No? And of course, there's a Knight of Wands for something unearthed success. No? Kailangan nyo lang magtiyaga at of course, magpatuloy sa ginagawa nyo. No? Ang ganda ng reading mo, there's a more on positive, pasabog, no? And of course, the power of the deck is the Three of Wands. The waiting is over, no? Kung may mga hinihintay kayo, there's a possible na dumating na. Pasabog, Scorpio. Ang ganda ng reading nyo. Ngayon linggong to, no? Na darating maganda ang inyong kalalabasan ngayon. Punong-puno ng achievement, success, and victory. So let's see what is additional messages na pagdating sa magical fair messages, advices, request sa pick a card, yes or no. Alamin na natin kung ano magiging sagot sa tanong mo. So, let's watch this. Before anything else, guys, no? Ang pick a card, yes or no, kung bago ka sa channel ko, na pwede ka magtanong, isa lang ang magiging sagot dyan within 1, 2, or 3. Pipili ka ng isa, comment down below kung anong number na pili mo. There, kasi malalaman mo yun sa dulo na reading na to, okay? So, let's see. What is the magical fair messages represent what? For magical fair messages, a winter. No, ngayong winter season, maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. The answer to your prayers and affirmations are fully realized on the winter months. And there's a summer, no? Everything that you're asking for becomes your in the summertime. No? Ano man yung mga bagay na tinatanong mo, ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mong malaman, malalaman mo yan with the summer season, winter and summer. And your desires within reach, no? Ano man yung mga pangarap mo, ano man yung bagay na nananais mo, manampalataya ka at naniniwala ka dyan, papabor sa'yo. Ganun yon. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Represent, guys, with a seed. Ang seed kasi dito sa akin, guys, no? Kumbaga kung ano yung tinanim mo siya nga, anihin mo. No? Kaya kailangan alamin mo kung saan mo siya itatanim, kung saan mo siya ilalagay. Kung alam mo kung saan siya lalago, doon mo siya ilagay. No? Or yung sarili mo, kung saan ka lalago, doon ka magstay. Huwag kang pumunta sa isang lugar ng puno ng toxic, hindi ka dyan mag-grow. There's a spy watching, looking at you. Ibig sabihin, marami nag-i-stalk sa'yo, marami nag-i-spy sa'yo. It's either customer, client, or ang mga inggitera. And of course, there's a distance, no? May mga distansya dito na kailangan mo munang kumaga magpakalayo-layo, or either kumaga kailangan mo muna mapag-isa, or buuin mo muna yung mga pangarap mo na ikaw lang muna, or kayo lang muna ng person mo. Huwag kayo nag-share ng information hanggat hindi kayo nagsasucceed. Diba? Kasi maraming talagang nagbibigay blockages dyan. No? Alam mo yung nag-share ka ng information, even thoughts, no? Tapos yung mga taong senior mo pala, ay may evil eye pala sa'yo, no? Inggitera pala yon. Mas maganda yung magtantan kayo kakadaldal. Diba? And there's an intuition. Talagang, no? Connected talaga sa relationship, and of course, a success tong reading mo. There's an intuition, and there's a spring, there's a blossoming. Alam mo guys, no, ang ganda ng reading mo, there's a seasonal, lahat ng season pinakita, spring, summer, winter. And there's a brother, no? Meron ditong connected with your brother, guys. So let's see what is a romance angel for a mystic love oracle deck. Represent what? And there's a marriage. Some of you guys, no, kasal na kayo ng person mo. Or maaaring ikakasal kayo. At magiging mas maganda ang inyong relasyon with the possibilities grass and greener. And of course, there's something missing you. Meron kayo ditong, kumbaga, namimiss nyo ng isa't isa. Diba? So let's see what is an angel's number. For an angel's number, represent what? So represent with the 10-01 with the spiritual awakening. Wow! A new phase in the religious or spiritual guess. You're going through spiritual awakening, which can feel like in the dark night of the soul, and you're on the path of the enlightenment, and this too shall pass. So, makapasa ka dito, naman yung mga bagay na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, magbibigay liwanag na to. Unti-unti na magde-develop lahat ng bagay pangyayari, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, panibagong pag-asa, masisilayan mo na yung liwanag, no, na naghuhudyat ng may bagong paparating na biyaya. Ganon. What is the money move oracle deck? Represent, guys, with a public pace. Follow your heart, become who you want to be. No, inner reputation, it's okay to be yourself. No, mas maganda yung maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. No? And of course, what lies beneath with the future? And there's a game over. Tinapos na. This is it, guys, no? Ito na yon. Knowing they fuck up. Alam na nila na na tinatarantado ka nila, no? Alam mo na ginagangster ka nila, no? And of course, ngayon at least alam mo na nalaman na nila, no? Na yung ginagawa nila against sa'yo. No? Ngayon tapos na. Maaring tinapos na, tinanggal na, ganon. And of course, clarifying for a love situation. For clarifying for a love situation, represent, guys, with wishful thinking. Having lofty ideals lead to a letdown, be realistic, no? Maging realistic ka, guys, no? Kailangan mo maging tahimik ka sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo, pag-iisipan mo mabuti, bawat action and decisions, no? So let's see what is a shadow work, represent what? And there's an have courage, fear, vulnerability, growth. Stop hiding, show up, and let yourself be seen. No, wag mo nang itago kung ano man yung bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Ilabas mo yan. Maging matapang ka. At harapin na naman yung bagay na iyo kinakatukat at pinapangambahan. Alisin mo yung worries mo na yan. Hayaan mo yung sarili mo makakita kung sino ka man talaga. Anong katangian, kakayanan ng meron ka? Ano man yung mga bagay na may share mo sa kanila? Ano man yung mga bagay na kung saan ka lalago, lalakas, no? What is a clarifying for a life situation? Clarifying for a life situation represent with a not afraid of hardship. Confront challenges with a courage, for they are stepping stones to growth and wisdom. So see, harapin mo lahat ng mga pagsubok na yan. Sa lahat ng mga pagdadaanan mo, kailangan may lakas at loob at tapang ka dyan. No? Kailangan matuto kang harapin lahat ng bagay na darating, no? Doon ka lalago, doon ka lalakas. What is the path of the light? Represent what? Ang ganda ng reading mo, guys. More on motivations, no? More on inspirational message na sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumapit ka, babaguhin na nito ang ikot ng kapalaran mo, ang ikot ng mundo mo. No, sa likod ng mga pinagdaanan mo, no, magiging mas malakas ka sa dating ikaw. There's a love myself. I choose to see myself as a novel. Beauty and positive, my true wealth lies in my nature and limitless potential. I recognize that I am being of light and I allow myself to shine brightly, embracing the fullness of who I am. So ngayon, mamahalin mo na talaga mo na sarili mo, mas lalo mong pakakalagaan at lalo mong tatanggapin yung sarili mo dito dahil doon mo makikita kung gaano ka kikinang, kung gaano ka lalakas, kung gaano ka magiging isang magaling, no, na sa larangan mo, no? And of course, paano ka magiging isang matagumpay na tao. And of course, lahat ng bagay na yung babaguhin dahil sa pagiging mabuting tao mo at dahil minahal mo ang sarili mo. So, let's see what is a yes or no. Pick a card. Alamin na natin ang magiging sagot sa tanong mo. Let's watch this. Okay, let's see. Yes or no, pick a card. So, let's start with the number 1. Number 1, represent with a yes. Beauty and growth surrounds you, Chariot, no? Ibig sabihin, may maganda at talagang paglago, no, na mapapalibutan ka, no, namnamin mo, lasapin mo ito, no, at magiging maganda at dalo yun ng kapalaran mo. Number 2, there's a yes again. Stroke your passion, heart desire blooming. Diyan ka lalago, sundin mo kung naman yung bagay na ninanais mo na nanggagaling sa puso, isip mo, no? The more na gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, the more na yung hilig mo, yung passion mo, mahalin mo at palaguin mo, gaganda at diyan ka lalago, no? Number 3, there is something, yes, again, reap for the picking perfect timing, get ready. Maganda ka, ito na yung pag-ani, ito na yung pagpitas, no, ng tagumpay na inaasam mo dahil ito na yung tamang pagkakataon para kunin mo na ano man yung bagay na iyong pinagpaguran, ano man yung bagay na pinaghirapan mo, no? So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 8 hanggang July 14 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi skip ng adsaway, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik digdig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa iyo. Maraming salamat din. See you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!